Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make grid in Instagram Story. Open Instagram, tap Story, and choose Layout or use a grid overlay app to plan panels. Frame each shot with consistent spacing and a focal point, and keep backgrounds simple for cohesion. Use the grid to tell a mini story across panels, saving drafts between posts so each frame aligns perfectly. For steady panels, use a tripod or phone stand and match lighting across shots so seams stay invisible. Keep subjects centered or consistently offset to preserve flow, and leave extra headroom or margins for safe cropping. Take multiple versions of each panel so you can pick the best alignment, then import into Layout or Stitch in the Story editor for a smooth, professional-looking grid. Assemble your panels in Layout or a collage app, then apply one consistent filter to keep colors uniform. Check each panel edge for continuity and use alignment guides when available to correct offsets. Save the complete set as drafts or upload panels in order to your story, previewing the sequence so transitions feel natural and the overall grid presents a unified visual narrative for your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.